Many users would love to have GPT Plus for free, not because they don't value the tool, but because not everyone can afford the subscription every month. Imagine accessing GPT-4 using its fastest, most accurate, and most capable features without spending a single cent. The question is it possible? Well, a few weeks ago I came across a method people were talking about in a hidden corner of the internet. A trick that supposedly unlocks GPT-4 and other premium models for free. I tried it, and here's what happened. In the forum, they explained that everything started with accessing a specific link. That link took you to a website where, without paying anything, you could log in and use GPT-4 directly. According to them, the key was that GPT-4 is the latest fully functional version available on that site. Newer models appear listed, but they're not active yet or they work with bugs. So once inside, it was just a matter of selecting GPT-4, starting to type, and enjoying the fast, accurate responses you'd normally only get with the Plus subscription. No installations, no payment details, just log in, choose the model, and start using it. And here's where it gets even more interesting. The platform also has an option to set up a battle between two AIs. You can run GPT-4 against another model at the same time, watch how they answer the same question differently, and even use both simultaneously for brainstorming or comparing results in real time. In short, this method allowed me to try GPT-4 and even pit two AIs against each other at the same time, all for free. And remember, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, comment what you think, subscribe for more AI tricks, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.